In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most out of AI in Google Docs. Google Docs is a widely used tool, not just for writing and editing documents, but also for collaboration and brainstorming. But did you know you can enhance its efficiency by integrating AI capabilities? Let's dive into how you can leverage AI in your Google Docs workflow. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. Once there, you'll want to search for information on using AI within Google Docs. You can do this by typing "How to use AI in Google Docs" into the search bar and hitting enter. You'll find a list of resources and guides that offer insights into the different ways AI can assist you in Google Docs. Now, proceed to open a Google Doc. You can do this by signing into your Google account, going to Google Drive, clicking on New, and selecting Google Docs from the drop-down menu. Here is where we start integrating AI functionalities. One of the simplest ways to utilize AI in Google Docs is by activating the Smart Compose feature. This feature suggests words and sentence completions as you type, which can help enhance your writing speed and correctness. To enable it, go to Tools, scroll down to Preferences, and make sure that Show Smart Compose Suggestions is checked. This feature will not only assist you as you write, but also help maintain consistency in your writing style. Another AI-powered tool is the Grammar Suggestion feature. As you type, Google Docs can underline grammatical errors in blue, providing you with alternatives and suggestions. This tool helps ensure your documents are polished and professionally edited. Simply right-click on the underlined text to see Google's suggestions and choose the one that fits your context best. Google Docs also supports voice typing, which is a fantastic feature if you prefer speaking over typing. To activate voice typing, go to Tools and select Voice Typing. Ensure that your device's microphone is working correctly, then click on the microphone icon and start speaking. This is an excellent way to get your thoughts down without having to type them out manually. Moreover, with the Explore function found at the bottom right of your Google Docs window, you can leverage AI to research topics directly within your document. By clicking the Explore icon, you can enter search queries and browse through web results, images, and related documents without leaving your Google Doc. Finally, for those handling large volumes of data, consider using the Google Sheets add-ons that feature AI pilot tools. These tools offer data analysis and visualization, automatically generating insights from your datasets within Google Docs. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to integrating AI in Google Docs. By utilizing these features, you can significantly improve your efficiency and productivity while working on documents. Explore these tools and let AI assist you in creating refined and polished content. Happy writing!